Mighty, 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 mighty companion, this is your Jamming Course in Miracles teacher. This is ACIM with Earl Purdy, here today to give you your Course in Miracles lesson for today, which is Miracles Are Seen in Light. Miracles are seen in light. Lesson 91, Miracles are seen in light. A miracle is a correct perception, and the Course says light is truth. So that's the same as saying correct perceptions are seen in truth. Correct perceptions are seen in truth. Correct perceptions are seen in love. Correct perceptions are seen in love. Miracles are seen in light. It is important to remember that miracles and vision necessarily go together. Miracles and vision go together needs repeating, and frequent repeating, that miracles and vision go together. It is a central idea in your new thought system, and the perception that your new thought system produces is the idea that miracles and vision go together. The miracle is always there. Its presence is not caused by your vision. Its absence is not the result of your failure to see. It is only your awareness of miracles, which are correct perceptions, that is affected. You will see correct perceptions in the truth, or you will not see correct perceptions in fear, which is the darkness. To you then, light, which is correct perception, the truth is crucial. While you remain in darkness and fear, the miracle, the correct perception, remains unseen. Thus, you are convinced that the miracle and the correct perception is not there. This follows from the premises from which the fear comes, the darkness comes. Do you know that the denial of truth, the denial of light, leads to failure to perceive the truth in light? Failure to perceive the truth in light is to perceive darkness and fear. The light and truth is useless to you then, even though the light and truth is there. You cannot see the light or truth because its presence is unknown to you. And the seeming reality of the darkness or fear makes the idea of light or love meaningless. To be told that what you do not see is really there sounds like insanity. It's very difficult to become convinced that it's insanity not to see what is there and to see what is not there. Instead is insanity. You do not doubt what your body's eyes see. You do not doubt the images your eyes show you are reality. You don't doubt the images that your physical eyes show you are reality. Your faith lies in the darkness and the separation and the fear, not the light and truth and oneness. How can this be reversed? How can this be reversed? Well, for you by yourself, it is impossible to reverse it, but you are not alone in this. You are not alone in this. Your efforts, however little your efforts may be, have strong support. Did you but realize how great this strength? Your doubts would vanish. Today we will devote ourselves to the attempt to let you feel this strength. Feel this strength. When you have felt the strength in you, which makes all miracles within your easy reach, you will not doubt when you felt the strength in you which makes all miracles within your easy reach. The miracles your sense of weakness hides will leap into awareness. As you feel the strength in you, the miracles will leap into awareness. 3 times today, set aside about 10 minutes for a quiet time in which you try to leave your weakness behind. Leaving your weakness behind is accomplished very simply. Leaving your weakness behind is accomplished very simply as you instruct yourself that you are not a body. You have a body, but you are not a body. You have a body, but you are not a body. Tell yourself. Faith goes to what you want, and you instruct your mind accordingly. Listen to me now. Your will remains your teacher. Your will remains your teacher. Your will remains your teacher. And your will has all the strength to do what it desires. Your will has all the strength to do what it desires. You can escape your body. If you choose, you can escape the body. That means you can experience the strength in you. The strength in you is beyond your bodily identity. Begin the longer practice periods with this statement of true cause and effect relationships. Say, miracles are seen in light. The body's eyes do not perceive the light, but I am not a body. I am not a body. What am I? The question with which this statement ends, I am not a body, what am I, is needed for our exercises today. What you think you are is a belief to be undone, but what you really are must be revealed to you. The truth of what you are calls on the strength in you. The truth of what you are calls on the strength in you to bring to your awareness what the mistake conceals. If you are not a body, what are you? If you are not a body, what are you? Well, you need to be aware of what the Holy Spirit uses to replace the image of a body in your mind. That means you need to feel something to put your faith in beyond just being a physical body. As you lift your faith from the body, you need a real experience of something else except seeing yourself as just a body. Something more solid, something more sure, something more worthy of your faith, and something that is really there. If you are not a body, what are you? I say, if you are not a body, what are you? Ask this in honesty, and then devote several minutes to allowing your mistaken thoughts about your attributes to be corrected and their opposites to take their place. Say, for example, you are not weak but strong. You are not helpless but all-powerful. You are not limited but unlimited. You are not doubtful but certain. You are not an illusion but a reality. You cannot see in darkness but in light. Say to yourself, I'm not weak but strong. I am not helpless but all-powerful. I am not limited but unlimited. I am not doubtful but certain. I am not an illusion but a reality. I cannot see in darkness but in light. In the second phase of the exercise period, try to experience these truths about yourself. Concentrate particularly on the experience of strength. Remember that all sense of weakness is associated with the belief you are a body, a belief that is mistaken and deserves no faith. Try to remove your faith from the belief that you are only a body. You have a body, but you are more than a body. If only for a moment, let go of that idea that you are only a human body. You will be accustomed to keeping faith with the more worthy in you as you go along. Relax for the rest of the practice period, confident that your efforts, however meager, are supported by the strength of God and all God's thoughts. It is from the strength of God and all God's thoughts that your strength will come. It is through their strong support that you will feel the strength in you. They are united with you in this practice period in which you share a purpose like to God's purpose. Theirs is the light of truth in which you will see miracles which are correct perceptions and abundance. Because God's strength is yours, this strength becomes your eyes that you may see 5 or 6 times an hour at reasonably regular intervals. Remind yourself that miracles are seen in light. Remind yourself that miracles are seen in light. Also be sure to meet temptation with today's idea. Miracles are seen in light. Let me not close my eyes because of this situation. Miracles are seen in light. Let me not close my eyes because of this situation. Miracles are seen in light. Let me not close my eyes because of this circumstance. Miracles are seen in light. Let me not close my eyes because of this. Miracles are seen in light. Let me not close my eyes because of this. Miracles are seen in light. The body's eyes don't perceive the light. But I am not a body. What am I? I am not a body. What am I? Miracles are seen in light. The body's eyes do not perceive the light. But I am not a body. What am I? I am not a body. What am I? Miracles are seen in light. The body's eyes do not perceive the truth. But I am not a body. What am I? I am not a body. What am I? Correct perceptions are seen in light. Miracles are seen in light. The body's eyes do not perceive the light. But I am not a body. What am I? I am not a body. What am I? Miracles are seen in light. Miracles are seen in light. Miracles are seen in light. Miracles are seen in light means correct perceptions are seen in truth. Correct perceptions are seen in truth. Miracles are true perception. Miracles are true perception. And miracles are seen in light. Correct perceptions are seen in truth. Healing perceptions are seen in truth. So your lesson for today is miracles are seen in light. Miracles are seen in light. All right, mighty companion, listen to this many times, and let peace extend from my mind and my heart to your mind and your heart.